Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and this is my unboxing of the Buds VS103 by Noise. And got this particular headphones, guys, for a very cheap price, and it's one of the best deals which I received from Amazon so far. And this is headphones which is costing usually more than 1500 in India, and I got this for about 1000. Again, you get some booklets and stickers, etc. You can check it or skip it. And the first impression would be, guys, it just looks like an AirPods. So let us also check what else we get in the box. So there is a tiny box in which we get a Type-C connector. This is to charge it, and mind you that this is not a data cable. And here you get some air tips to change the comfort of your ears. And let us just unwrap this Noise VS103 and check out. And my first impression, it just looks like a AirPods Pro clone, but again, this is this are claiming as the first design, guys. And this comes in matte black, so y'all can check this out. So if you're liking that matte black color, then definitely y'all can check it out. And let me know in the comments below which headphones y'all are using, and also I'll be sharing the link in the description. Do check out where y'all can buy this. And it also comes with some nice removable kind of things. First time it is like locked out, and this is a Type-C connector with the help of which you all can charge it. And let us just remove these particular seals which we have it on the why do I keep on saying AirPods? So on this VS103, and these headphones basically have this particular seal, so to protect it from overcharging when it is in shipment, etc. So initial impression, it just looks like AirPods Pro clone, guys, and I hope this would be much more better in terms of comfort. And I really like the color. Also, guys, if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing, and do not forget to press that bell notification icon. And this is how it fits, and you all cannot accidentally use the right one in the left one, so do keep that particular thing in mind. And this is very comfortable. I would say one of the best headphones which I've used, and extremely comfortable. And you all can double tap and play, pause, etc. The same function works. Again, you all have to check the manuals and all. So this is how it looks, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this particular videos as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel, because there is always something new to learn on Creative Soft. Also check out these particular videos which we have. Again, guys, thanks a lot for watching this particular video, and see you in my next video.